Hi friends, happy Monday. Welcome back to math today. Today for math, you will need out of your work packet, this activity sheet right here. There's actually two of them. So there's one with some little girls at the top, and then the second one with some apples at the top. So you will need those two sheets, and then you will also need a pencil. So go ahead, pause the video, and grab the materials that you need. All right, friends, welcome back. We're going to go over our learning target for today. So we're going to continue comparing numbers, but I added a few more details to our learning target. So it says, I can compare numbers using the words greater than, less than, and equal to. We've been using those math terms a lot when we're comparing numbers. So we're going to do that, and our learning target will be hit by working on these worksheets. So we're going to work on the second page together. So I want you to flip past where the kids are, and we're going to go to the page where you see the apples. Okay? So our directions tell us, just like our math workbook pages have been, we're going to count how many are in each group, write the number, and then we're going to circle the number that is greater, which is bigger, and X the number that is less. So let's start by counting out our apples. We know that we do our apples first because it's first on our list. Let's count and mark out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make our 4. Down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Okay? And then, oh, do you see anything here? No. So what number represents nothing, not a zilch? 0. So let's write our 0. Down to the left to find my hero. Back to the top, I've made my 0. All right, now let's make a 4 and a 0 on our fingers. Ready? We have 4 and 0. Let's compare. So we can't make dancing partners because there's none in this group, which means that all these guys are dancing by themselves. So let's say your grandma gave your brother 0 cookies, but you 4. Who got more, the greater amount? You. So let's compare by starting with greater. Ready? 4 is greater than 0. Good. Now let's move it back. And now we'll move our 0 down. 0 is less than 4. Good. So what do we need to circle? What number? 4. Because 4 is greater. What number do we need to X? 0, because it is less. Okay. Good job showing your work. Now we're going to move down to the girls, okay? Let's count the girls and write how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to write our 5. Straight line down, halfway around, hat on top, 5 is found. Now let's count the kids on the swings. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's make our 4. Down and over and down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Okay, now let's make a 5 and 4 on our fingers. All right, let's make our dancing partners. Oop, does one group have a leftover? It does. That means there's more in this group, right? There's one more in this group than the other group. So which one do we need to move up? 5, because 5 is greater than 4. Let's do it. Ready? Go. 5 is greater than 4. Good. Now let's say it the other way and compare where 4 is less. Ready? And 4 is less than 5. So if your grandma gave you 4 cookies, but now your sister 5, who got more? Your sister. You got less. So I want you to circle your 5 and X your 4. Okay? Now let's move on to our pencils and people. Let's count the pencils. 1, 2, 3. How many pencils? 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Now let's count the people. 1, 2, 3. Oh, just 3. Let's make our 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Okay, now what do we say? 3 is the same as 3. What's our math term to say that those are the same? Equal. So let's make our 3 in each group. Bring them together. Oh, no leftovers. We see They all have a dancing partner. So we say that 3 is equal to 3. So when they're equal, we circle both of them. Okay? Great job. So you're going to go back and do this page right here with the people, the swings, and the pencils. Okay? This is a page that you're going to count, write the number, circle the number that's greater, X the number that's less. But what do you do if they're equal? Circle both of them. Good job. Kiss your brains. Keep up the great work. Compare numbers. Make sure to do this worksheet and post it to your teacher's Google Classroom. I'll see you tomorrow for math, friends.